Today I, Praveen, am here to speak on our internship project at Expertshub. It is gratifying to note that Expertshub has organized such a wonderful online internship program on machine learning, even in this changed situation. I personally thank Mr. Karan sir and Pawan sir for organizing such a wonderful session. Full stack data engineering FDE internship program is all about data science, machine learning, computer vision tool and techniques and work on live project mentored by industrial experts like Bipul sir and Pawan sir. After 30 days of intensive internship on data science, machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, we have learned many things about NumPy, SkyPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, TensorFlow, Keras, OpenCV, and we have learned what is the main difference between data science and data engineering. The goal of my internship project was to structure way to evaluate voice data using data science and machine learning ideas. We as a team created a machine learning based project to translate voice into text. The target user of this ML project are those who do not have good internet connectivity or they cannot use Google Translator to write text. Our project is offline. That means we do not need good internet to translate our voice into text. As you can see from the project cycle, we handed out the ML project and interviewed with several people to gather all information and guided them to think about its business impact, technical feasibility and data availability. Our internship project is on sentimental analysis, also known as opinion mining or emotional AI. Refer to the use of natural language processing, text analysis, computer linguistic and biometric to systematically identify, extract, qualify and study affective state and subjective information. Sentimental analysis is a widely applied technique and it was hard for us to decide which product to choose. After doing research on sentimental analysis, we come to a conclusion and decided to use this technique to predict every next word in a sentence using speech recognition. Then we need to decide which platform to use. We have used Intel OpenVINO toolkit. OpenVINO provides a set of libraries to demonstrate end-to-end speech recognition as well as new acoustic and language model that can work. The libraries are designed for pre-processing feature abstraction to get a feature vector from a speech signal as well as post-processing which is decoding to produce text. Together with OpenVINO based neural networking speech recognition, these libraries provide an end-to-end pipeline converting of speech to text. Now I will share my computer screen to show you the working of our project. First, we need to initiate OpenVINO toolkit. Okay, first of all we need to open our command prompt. Then in this window we will write a location in which we have to go. So we are navigating toward this deployment tool directory in which we have another directory called demo directory. Then we are running this code called demo speech recognition. This is our window batch file. So after the execution of this file, we can see the user interface of our project. It will take some time. Here we go. This is our user interface for how are you, how are you, I am Praveen, what about you? So it is not that accurate, but still it's work.
Is OpenVINO Toolkit. OpenVINO Toolkit is nothing but it deploys applications and solutions that emulate human vision. It is based on convolutional neural networks (CNNs). The toolkit extends computer vision (CV) workloads across Intel hardware, maximizing performance. The OpenVINO toolkit includes the Deep Learning Deployment Toolkit (DLDT). What is OpenVINO toolkit? There are several types of OpenVINO toolkit components. They enable CNN-based deep learning interface on the edge. Also, they speeds time to market via an easy-to-use library of computer vision functions and pre-optimized kernels. And also, it includes optimized calls for computer vision standards, including OpenCV and OpenCL. There are several types of OpenVINO toolkit components. They enable CNN-based deep learning interface on the edge. Also, they speeds time to market via an easy-to-use library of components. There are several types of libraries. Some of them are used for speech recognition, which are displayed in this slide. There are several types of libraries. The OpenVINO toolkit works like speech is recognized by feature extraction, then it is converted to acoustic model, and then it is converted to language model. After that, it gives text.
Our project is based on the voice recognition model developed in the OpenVINO toolkit, which is an open source toolkit developed by Intel for advanced deep learning and computer vision enhancement. The future scope of the project is very vast and practical, since the model can be easily deployed into any hardware or software, which makes it compatible in nature. It can be used to implement contactless communication and help physically challenged people in their day-to-day lives. These are some of the research papers that were referred.